G'day guys, welcome to another video. This one is all about washi. How much do we love buying oodles and oodles? I've got 4 drawers this big that I've made up like this of washi. That's my shameless anonymous plug. That's my, what do you call it? Like AA for washi. Look, washi has its place in a scrap room and it's bright, it's colourful, we love it. It comes in all shapes and sizes. This one I've had for ages. I don't even know if it still comes off, but it is gorgeous. It's nice and wide. Believe it or not, my kids use this one more than I actually use it as a form of washi. I believe Pink Fresh Studio have washi like this now, and see, it's, there we go, it's nice and wide and it's gorgeous. Look at that, it's like the bottom of, I absolutely love it, it's gorgeous. Now I will re-roll that later. And you can get thin stuff, you can get it with writing on it, flowers, you can get Christmas, you can get metallic, you can get glitter. The world is your oyster when it comes to washi. But don't overspend on it because it doesn't last forever. Trust me, you do get to the point where, like I just did with this one, it no longer wants to play the game. And this one is still sticky, but it's starting to stick to itself. So be mindful of this when you go and spend your entire month's allowance on scrapbooking supplies on washi. Now, I'm not going to rabbit on to you about what you can do with washi because we all know it's tape. The main thing I want to get through to everybody is this: it is not permanent. Wherever you put washi on your layout, it must be adhered with glue because it will lift. And I will show you exactly what I'm talking about. I thought this page, I thought I had it all glued down, and look at that. No, I don't, because it's going to do its washi thing and it's going to pop up on me. So make sure that you glue down your washi and make sure that it doesn't come up, because nothing is more annoying than washi that has lifted. That's just my opinion. That's my 3 cents worth on the washi non-permanent thing. But the bonus to that is you can use it in lieu of mint tape. You can use it in lieu of, always check it though, make sure that it is going to come back up properly, because depending how old it is, you have issues. So I absolutely love it. Now you can use it in a plethora of different ways, but I've got just a few layouts here that I have used washi on. This one, I specifically bought this particular pack of washi because it was all black, gold and white, and that just screams to me. So I wanted to use every single bit that I possibly could on a layout, and that's why I decided to do this. I think there was only 3 that I didn't use out of the entire pack. It was fantastic. So I did get a lot of it down in one layout, which I absolutely love. And if I don't say so myself, I think it looks really good. There is one bit on here that I wish I didn't do, and trust your gut. If you think at the beginning, take it off, do it, because I still now am drawn to these bits here. There, and there, like they're too blocky. So trust your gut. If you are putting it down and you go, oh, that's really standing out, yeah, just move it on. Just move it on. It's no big deal. It's all good. So that's one layout. That's one that I did. Oh, I can't even remember when I did that one. I don't know. Anyway, moving on. It's irrelevant when I did it. These are quick videos to give you information in a short, quick space of time. This one, I used the washi around the border on the outside of the floral cut file that I cut on my Cricut, that I absolutely love. It is gorgeous, and I love these little balls. They're so cute. They are absolutely adorable. These little, can you see how dimensional? They're little plastic balls. Oh, they're just absolutely stunning, and they reflect the light. They are absolutely beautiful, and I just put them down with my art glitter glue and it was perfect. They have not budged. So this one was about washi, not about the balls, but it's about the washi, and it is just using it around the border on that one, and it added a nice gold shimmery border, which was fantastic. Then you can make the washi literally the mixed media, what do we call it? The king of mixed media. We add it to the center, we make it the hero, is that what we call it? So this one I wanted to go just black and white into black, white, silver. That's the direction I was going with it. I just put some different marks down, and I've torn the washi in half. So something, when you're using your washi, always think about how else you could possibly use it. And I'm going to, I should probably do a brighter color so you can actually see it better. Look, I'm still new to this whole video thing. I have only been doing YouTube for 18 months now. Oh, 18 months. Wow. I'll have an anniversary soon. Tear your washi through the center. Give yourself a jagged edge so that, you know, when you put it down, don't stress, this is going to come back up, so I'm not worried. So you've got a jagged edge instead of a straight edge. You know, at a point of difference. Oh, gee whiz. Guess what? Spoke too soon, didn't I? So yeah, so that was not too bad. It's all right. It's okay. Everything's fine. The other thing you can do, maybe I shouldn't use this layout as the example. Oh, I can't get it off my finger. Washi's not permanent. That's the problem. See, I said washi's not permanent. So this one, I've torn it along the center and I've just sort of jig-jagged it through the back, and it's given me the opportunity to use some of that nice reflective silver washi tape along with some patterns to mix in with the black and the gold, the black and the silver, and I think it looks really good. So don't think to yourself, I've only got washi. You could have the piece de resistance. Trust me on it. Now this one I've brought into the mix, not because it is washi, but it could be washi. So this is the beautiful, I think this is a Paige Evans paper. But if you think about it, realistically, why could this not be just some washi tapes? I'm not saying don't buy the Paige Evans paper. It's gorgeous. Buy it. Buy it all. Buy every single bit of it because it's absolutely stunning. You could literally create this look yourself with the washis that you have in your own collection. You get my drift? So you could lay them down and create your own sections. And this layout does have a video with it, and trust me, this was the easiest layout to do. I thought, when I started thinking about it, I thought it'd be really hard, but it was super simple. Super simple. If you use washi tape, it'll be even more simple. So yeah, and I fussy cut my own ephemera. Now this is something I'm going to tie that into, so this is going to be not only washi tape but ephemera. Let's call out the elephant in the room. Ephemera can be very expensive. Ephemera, when I'm talking about paper ephemera, I am talking about, don't mind me, this is very unprofessional for a quick video. I am talking about ephemera like that, okay? Ephemera where, and I'm not calling out any particular company, I'm just grabbing what I have here that just so happens to be all cocoa vanilla, which is pretty funny. Then you've got some simple stories, like all this is what I'm talking about with ephemera, right? I better not single anybody out. There we go. We'll put a bit of pink fresh in there as well. Why not? They are expensive to buy if you're buying a collection and you want to buy all these packets of ephemera and that's what you get and that's it, right? Why not try and fussy cut? I know, go back a couple of videos. I show you exactly how to fussy cut to get these results, and it's a game changer, guys. It really is a game changer because ephemera can be so expensive, and you can literally, if you buy a stamp and die set, you don't even have to fussy cut. You can literally put it through your die cut machine, or even better, if you've got a Cricut like I have, whack it through your Cricut and then color it yourself, and then boom, you've got your own ephemera. Just saying, just pointing out the obvious. It's a little bit cheaper and it works, and it allows you to be able to buy other bits and pieces. Now, this one is, again, it's that page. I think I'm on a page Evans couple of pages here. So this is a page that I did recently, and I stamped all of these butterflies. It's a butterfly stamp. I think it's a Bo Bunny stamp. And I stamped them all down, and I did one for underneath, one on top, and I used some embossing powder on top of them, and they look gorgeous. Like I said, make your own ephemera. You may not like butterflies, and that is totally okay. You might like owls, you might like cats, you might like cute little puppies, or farm animals, all those sort of things. You might like those little tiny little penguins. You can tie that in as ephemera. So yeah, just saying, I think that works perfectly, and this could easily be washi. So this is why I pulled this particular one out. Just imagine that being washi instead of a strip of cardstock. So you could just do something like that, and if you don't like butterflies, you could do dragonflies. If you don't like dragonflies, you pick the thing that you want flying out of the top of your big bouquet that you've tied in the middle with your photos. And literally, it is so much fun, guys. Honestly, give it a crack. Let me know how you go. Let me know if you're getting value out of these videos, and I will be back with another one real soon. Thanks for watching. Chat to you soon. Bye for now.